Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rubel. So as we discussed last video that we are going to do the demo for this tutorial. So let me just give you the overview before we start the demo. So the first we will create the branch, then we check out that branch, then we will create one Python file, and after that we will push the code to the Bitbucket. And after that we will create a pull request, and after during the pull request we will have the information about the approver. So approver will approve the pull request, and then the merge button will be available enabled, and we'll merge the code and verify in the master branch. Okay, so let's verify in the Bitbucket to see if there is any branch is available. Right now we have only the master branch. Okay, so you can, okay, let's start from beginning. A repository, click on the repository, and you see the drop down. I see if you click on it, all the branch list should be here. So today we are going to create a branch from the terminal or through the command line. But if you want to create a branch from Bitbucket UI, from here you can just click on branch here, and you can create a branch here. But today that is not our goal for today. Okay, so let's open terminal. Let me go to the downloads. So this is our project. So let me open terminal here. This on the side. So this is the terminal. So let me see ls. So we are in the project, and what I have to do, first check the Git branch. Git branch. So we have only the master branch here. Okay. So let me just put this on the side, or yeah, just put it here. Okay. So now let's what we are going to do. We are going to create a branch and directly select the branch that we create. Okay. So, I mean, check out the branch. Like we are going to use these comments here that we learned earlier. So git checkout -b, then branch name. So what it will do, it will create a branch, and also it will select the branch. Okay, so git checkout -b, and I would say Google feature, right? Feature hyphen Google. So let me open the PyCharm as well. So I open the PyCharm. So right now you see it is master. So let me hit enter. So right now it has been changed to my branch. Okay, so now I say git branch, it has been selected. Now if I just refresh the PyCharm, it will be is already changed. You see, feature hyphen Rubel. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, so I'm going to create on file. So create a Python file. So right click on the project, new, and click on Python file, and you can name like test hello world. Okay, so now if I say print hello world, so let me run it here. So it's working fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this code. As you see right now, let me go back to the Bitbucket, refresh the page. You see, it still has a master. So this master branch, you see, it doesn't have this file, right? Test hello world .py. So let me open, where is the terminal? Okay, so now the first command, I need to see the status, right? Since we have created this new file, so this new file is not in a stage, right? So what I have to say, git status. It's been read, right? So now we have to add. You see this, it is read and it is in under untracked file. It's not in track. So we have to make a track. And how you can do that? We have to say git add. We can put a dot, or we can enter the file name. So dot, it will include all the file. Like if you have 100 file, it will include everything. But if you want to only include this file, we can say git add, and it's not okay. Git add okay, so what is not taken here, so what I'm going to do is just copy the path, copy absolute path, and just paste it here, enter. So now it has been added. So I was trying to just copy and paste it here, but it didn't take it. So that's why I just copy absolute path and paste it here. Okay, so now if I run the same command, git status, it should be in track. I mean, it is in stage. Okay, so now it's great. So now what do you have to do? The next comment is the commit. So git commit -m, and I have to write some comments. So you say like add test file, anything you like, but it should be meaningful name. Okay, so now enter. So one file change. So it's still right, even though it's a one file change, create mode, like this is the change number, but it's still, if we go back to the repository, it still is not here, like the branch, right? It's still branch name is not here. So one more comment is required is push. So git push, and where you want to push? We want to push it to origin master. Okay, hold on. What did he put? Git put origin. Oops. It should be the branch name, right? What did he put the ground? So it should be Java, because we create a branch, right? It should not be master. Yeah. So it has been transferred. Now, if I come back here, refresh the page, right now I see my feature Rebel here. Okay, so now if I just click, still if I click on master, I don't see file here. Now if I change to my branch, I see my file is right here. And also in .ignore file and readme file, right? Because as we learned last time that whenever we create, whenever we check out the branch or create a new branch, it take a copy from the master branch. Okay, so we had in master branch we have a .git ignore and readme, so that's why we have it here. So now we have done, so our feature is in the Bitbucket. Now next step is we have to create a pull request. Okay, so let's create a pull request. And in order for to do that, on the left side, you see this one, just click on pull request. And the right side, create a pull request. And so this is the details, right? What do you want to do? So this is the featured Rubel, and this is the from, and you see arrow, and whatever file I have it here, I want to push it to the master branch. So that is the goal. And we can put the title, whatever you want to add here is up to you now. Important is add reviewer. So you may have all the team member name will be here. So whenever you see like whoever else you want to send the reviewer request, you can select their name, and you can select their name, and after that you can create a pull request. Okay, so here you see you can add more than one person. So that has been done. So what we did, we make sure whatever, like you may have a lots of branches under this repository. So you have to select whatever branch you want to is ready for to PR. And PR means whatever code is ready to go master. So you have to select that branch. Right now we have only one, so that's why you select this. Then you have to say master and select the reviewers. Then just simply create a pull request. So as soon as you create a pull request, what we'll have is nothing on your hand right now. So we request like the empty Rubel, right? He will receive the email. So let me just open my email. So I send it myself. So you will get the email like that, right? So 0 minutes ago, it's a view this pull request. So what I have to do, just open. So I have to log in as well. So you see, I am a reviewer. So that's why I see additional button here. I say request, change, and approve. So after reviewers see this file, he or she will go through your code. If any code is make no sense, or maybe need to be some edit or maybe require something, right? So they will make a comments and they will request change. So they will select this one, request change, and they will also make the comments. Okay, so if for right now everything looks okay, so what we are going to do, we are just click the approve button. You see approve, so everything is looking good. And as soon as we click approve, so now we are going back to the original repository here. And right away we said the pull request was updated, reload page. Let me reload page. You see is become approved, green check. I mean the check mark is here. So but still, let me. So it is approved. Now it's ready for merge. So as I mentioned earlier, that this merge will not be available for all the users, right? For myself, I'm a admin role, so that's why I'm able to see this, right? So whoever have assigned the role, like admin role, or like whoever in your team is approve, has a approver roles, they can see this merge requires a merge button. So now what I'm going to do, just click on merge, but before that, let me verify again the repository to show you that right now still, if you go to the master branch, still I don't have that that file, right? So what I'm going to do is click on merge and just leave it everything for default like this and click on merge. So it will take a few seconds. So the merge feature rule pull request number 2. So that means whatever code I had in my branch, it available in the master branch. So now if I go back to the masters, right now I do see the code is available here. So that's how is in the real project or anywhere you go. It does, and also the repository is the all the repository, like if you have a Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, any repository you go for is the similar process, right? So that how the code is merged from local branch to the master branch. Okay, so so now if your teammate, if they want to pull the code from the master branch, what they have to do, they just have to they just have to clone the project if they are new, or if they have existing project, they just have to pull the latest code. Let me show you that as well. So now I open IntelliJ. Okay, so now right now I am in my branch, right? Like let's switch back to master. So git check out master. Oops, I spelled wrong. So now if I check what I have it here, I am in master branch, right? But still I don't have the latest file here. So what I have to do is just git pull origin master. You see one file changed. Now if I just click anywhere, so now file is available in the master branch. Okay, so that's include or make a conclusion our goal or demo for push the code from the local branch to the master branch using Git.